She's not young, but she can still have one or two children.
Why hasn't she been married?
She was engaged once, but the police shot her fiancé just like they did to Samir. Then her father was ill for a long time and needed her at home. He just died. So she has nowhere to go.
She's perfect.
She's the best one for you, Darwan, and very nice looking. Did you like the photo?
Yes, but can I talk to her and see her like we're doing?
She won't come to the phone. She thinks, you see, she's too old. She says, he won't like me.
He won't, Mummy. I'll think about it, Rasbir. Please, take the phone to the window. Show me the street, the sun, the sky, everything.
Bapre, it's night time here.